Hey guys, welcome back to Urban Rhino Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make a jewelry dish, and we're going to be using two small, these would be like from a tea set, these little plates here and this little unicorn figurine and some glass glue. Pretty simple. So before I get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So I have the two here. You can choose, which one you want to be on the top, which one on the bottom. It doesn't really matter. And we're going to do this essentially in two steps. So to begin, I want to make sure that the unicorn is secure to the first plate. I could do this with a hot glue gun. However, I feel like because the plate is so slick, your chances of the glue kind of popping off like this is pretty good. So we're going to use this E6000, which is going to hold it much better. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm looking to see which parts of the unicorn actually touch the plate here, and I want it to be kind of centered. So its whole body is, centered over the plate. So we're looking at the hooves, I guess, in the back part of the tail. So that is where I'm gonna put the glue. And I'm being kind of generous with the amount. If some of it comes out, it's okay. I mean, obviously it dries clear, so I'm not too concerned about that. And I just want to make sure I get it right where I want and press it into place just like that. And then I'm going to let this dry for a good couple hours. You can let it sit overnight if you want, but I'm gonna give it a few hours, and then when I return, we're going to secure the top portion of the plate. All right, so we have our little unicorn, and she is dry. She's nice and secure on there now. And I'm ready to put the top layer on. And the way I'm going to do this, and it kind of depends on the plates that you have and the figurine. You might be better off to lay your plate directly on top where you think and let it dry, or you might be better off to do it upside down. So I am going to, I think for this one, I'm gonna do it upside down. So I'm gonna see where I think she'll fit best. Like that. Okay, and again, I'm kind of, I know you can't see what I'm doing here. Let me turn it. What I'm doing is kind of looking to see where she hits the plate. So where, her wings and the mane and her ears look like, where they're going to touch, so that I know where to put my glue. And I want this to be pretty even. And I'm just making note, and what I'm gonna do is put this tiniest little dot where I want these to go, where I want my glue to go. And by doing it sideways like this instead of this way or this way, I can get the plates lined up. Okay, there. And looks like there. And then right here. Okay, so now again, I'm gonna put some glue. Now that I have figured out where, the points of her touch the plate, I am going to rest the plate on top. I'm just lining it up. Making sure that it's nice and steady. Like that. And then again, if it balances, you can leave it like that. This one's slipping a little, so I'm actually gonna turn it upside down. It's hard to know until you actually start doing it. Yeah, this will stay better. And you can, her wings are kind of flimsy, so she's kind of scooting a little bit more than I would like. There we go. What I might do is put a little bit of painter's tape to kind of hold her in place. So I'm gonna do that. When I come back, I will show you what she looks like all dried, and we will, I'll remove the painter's tape, make sure it's secure, and then you can see the finished product. So here we have the finished up little jewelry tray all ready to go. And if you watch the next slide here, you will see how cute it looks all finished up in a room with some jewelry on it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the tutorial. Comment below if you have any questions, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.